virtual J is easy to access and use. Go to www.baltimorejcc.force.com. Log in using your email and password you have set up. Once on the main page, you will see on the top of the page the types of group fitness classes you are looking for from our previous and now archived classes. Reminder, our Live Now classes will be available soon and are still on Zoom via our reservation system at jcc.org. The menu bar under the main class type narrows down the types of classes further. Under that menu bar, to the right corner, you will see 2 arrows with a fraction number that will allow you to view more classes available for you to choose from and participate in by clicking those arrows. Once you choose the class you want to participate in and watch, you will click on that class and will then be taken directly to the video where you can press play and enjoy. We know you will enjoy the many classes we now offer on our virtual J.